Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Gunjan Prajapati. Today I am going to talk about adulthood year. There are basically three phases of adulthood: early adulthood, middle adulthood, and late adulthood. Early adulthood begins when adolescence reaches maximum height. Girls age 20 years, boys age 22 years, and last until age 40 years. Middle adulthood ages between 40 to 60 or 65 years. Late adulthood ages between 60 until death. Now first I will talk about early adulthood year, which is begins in late teens, early 20s and lasts till 40 years of age, as we already know. Early adulthood year is a time for established in personal and economic independence, identity exploration, especially in love and work. It is a term for transition from adolescence to adulthood that is characterized by experimentation and exploration. Instability and self focused may be seen, and feeling in between. Now let us talk about the developmental phases of early adulthood year. First I will talk about physical development. Physical changes are minimal during this phase, decline affected by health and lifestyle. And in cognitive development, some researchers believe that thinking in early adulthood become more realistic and pragmatic. Early adulthood is the main age window for wisdom, that is, expert knowledge about the practical aspects of life that permits excellent judgment about important matters. Now, let us talk about emotional development at this phase. During early adulthood year, individual enter Erickson's intimacy versus isolation stage, that is a developmental task of forming intimate relationships with others or becoming socially isolated. Now let us talk about middle adulthood year, which is a period from 40 to 60 or 65 years. Middle adulthood is a time of expanding personal and social involvement and responsibility, assisting next generation in becoming competent and mature individual, reaching and maintaining satisfaction in a career, a decline of physical skills, balancing work and relationships, a reassessment of life's priorities. Now I will talk about the developmental phases of middle adulthood year. First, physical development. Females may experience bone loss as early as age 35. Men may not experience it until 65 years. Muscle strength and stamina may begin to decline. Hair may begin to turn gray and thin. Wrinkles appear in the skin. Chronic health problems such as hypertension, heart disease, and diabetes may surface. Decline in vision becomes more pronounced. Hearing undergoes a gradual decline beginning in middle adulthood. Men are more prone to hearing loss than women. Women experience menopause in their middle age. Now let us talk about cognitive development at this stage. Some intellectual abilities decline in middle age, but others may increase. Acquired store of information, skills, strategies increases in middle adulthood, which is also known as crystallized intelligence, and ability to deal with new situation begins to decline in middle adulthood, which comes under fluid intelligence. Now let us talk about emotional development. Erickson's seventh stage, that is generativity versus stagnation, in which individuals leave a legacy of themselves to next generation, which is called generativity. We can see active involvement in guiding and teaching the next generation, and stagnation involves not seeking outlet for involvement or being self-centered or unable to participate in meaningfully in the world. Now let us talk about Late adulthood year, which is a period that begins from 60 or 65 and lasts until death. Late adulthood is a time of adjusting to retirement, decreasing strength and health, new social roles, reviewing one's own life. Now I will discuss the developmental phases. First, physical development. Wrinkles and age spots become more noticeable, skin loses its elasticity and collagen, hair becomes thinner and grayer. Sleep has more wakeful period, more tiredness in the morning. Health problem like arthritis, that is an inflammation of the joints accompanied by pain, stiffness and movement problems, common in older adults. Osteoporosis, extensive loss of bone tissues, or affects more women than men. Now, cognitive development. Cognitive development, speed of processing information decline in late adulthood, reduce performance in areas in which they are not competent. Dementia can be seen in most old people associated with Alzheimer's disease. Now, emotional development. Erickson's stage of integrity versus despair. Integrity is the feeling that one's life has been meaningful, and despair is feeling of regret or bitterness about past mistakes, missed opportunities or bad decisions, a sense of disappointment in life. It is also a stage of emptiness. Some may experience a sense of loss known as the emptiness syndrome, that is a decline in satisfaction after the last child leave the home. Okay everyone, that's all for today. I will get back to you. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel.